We will demonstrate the search menu by cutting a key for a 2014 Honda Accord. Select Vehicle Keys from the menu. Select Vehicle Make, and a keyboard appears. Type in the vehicle's make, Honda, and a drop-down menu appears to complete the selection. We'll select Honda USA. Then type Accord into the Model section. You can enter the year or simply select Enter. Only 2 code series are used for the Accord. 5001-8442 is the code series for the edge cut keys, and K0001-N718 is the code series for the laser keys. We'll select the laser key. Tap the star to add this code to your favorites. For more detailed information about applications of each code series, select Applications at the top. Once the card opens, the left side of the screen shows all technical details relating to that cutting card. Its number, SN, profile, series, depth and spacing measurements, and stop position. The right side of the screen contains the following functions. Code. If you know the indirect code of the key that you will be cutting and did not enter it into the search menu, select Code. A code search box opens. Select Code and enter the indirect code by using the keyboard. Then select the green box with the magnifying glass. The software searches the database and displays the cuts corresponding to this indirect code. Select OK. The next screen displays the cut depths. Select Cut to send that information to the machine. Before we cut this key, let's review the rest of the card menu. Cuts. If you do not know the indirect code but do know the depths for each cut, manually enter that information by selecting Cuts on the card menu. As you enter the depths, the cursor moves to the next box. Once completed, select Confirm. If the depths you have entered match an indirect code in the code series, the machine will display the proper code. Decoding. If you have a working key and do not know either the direct or indirect code, you can decode the key by selecting Decoding from the card menu. A box opens showing how to load the key to complete the decoding process. Manual corrections. This option allows you to adjust the spacing Y-axis and the depths X-axis and Z-axis of a key to be cut. To enter manual adjustments, you must check the Use Corrections box to activate. Then select Save and Close. Partial cuts. This option is used for code searches when only part of the direct cuts are known, as when you are presented with a broken key. Enter the depths known and hit Search. The screen will display possible indirect codes within the code series. Card options are used for editing certain parameters on the card. Info card displays information about the tracer, cutter, key blank, clamp, left and right jaws, and stop position. Queue of job, used to place selected jobs in a queue to be cut at a later time. Note, this displays data card notes, if any, providing further information relating to the position of the key, accessory required, etc. Now back to the indirect code of the key we're about to cut, which is L267. Select the green search box. The screen shows the depths of the cut for this indirect code. Select OK. The card now shows a picture of the key with the selected depths at the appropriate spacings on the key. Select Cut to begin the cutting process. Loading the key. The next screen displays an image of the clamp and jaw combinations required. For this example, the 01J and 02J jaws should be loaded into the 01R clamp. Since this key does not have a shoulder, it will be gauged using the tip. The stop position shown is 2, the second set of slots on the jaws. Place the tip stop bar into those slots and place the key in the jaw resting the tip against the tip stop bar. Make sure the key is seated flat and clamp the key. Remove the tip stop bar before attempting to cut the key. Use the brush to clean shavings from clamp so the cutter calibrates properly. Lower the safety shield and select Start. The cutting tower comes down and the cutter touches the top of the jaw. This calibrates the location of the cutter in relation to the jaw, so the depth of cut on the Z-axis is correct. Once this measurement is made, the cutting begins. After side 1 is cut, you're prompted to raise the shield and turn the key to side 2. Again, make sure all the shavings are brushed from the jaw surfaces prior to loading the key. Follow the same procedure to load and gauge the key to cut side 2. Select Start to resume cutting.